In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Discord using a token. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, open up a web browser and then go to discord.com, and then from here press F12 on your keyboard. This is going to bring up some more information. So on the right hand side, make sure to click onto applications. And then on the left hand side, we've got these different tabs. Under storage, open up local storage and then click on discord.com. And now on the right hand side, under key, look for token. Generally, it's right at the bottom of the page here. So here's token here. So click onto that. And now highlight everything that's inside the quotation marks and then paste in your token. Once you've pasted in your token, just go ahead and click refresh on your page and that should log you in automatically, or hit Control R and that's going to refresh Discord and you can close out of that.